Hey, what's up guys? This is Claire and welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I would finally share with you how to make an overlay for your sessions live music. Sorry it took a while because I figured out not every one of you has their Photoshop installed. I found a way how to make it online. It's kind of like a hack, and if you want to check out how I did it, then keep on watching. I've known Canva for a while now, since way back 2016, but I just recently started using it. Everything will be easier if you have like the pro Canva, but you don't need that for this tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to hack it, okay? I'm already logged in, and the first thing that we are gonna do is we will create a design. So the aspect ratio of the screen for the sessions live is actually like a PowerPoint presentation, so you can also use your PowerPoint for it, but yeah, the size should be 920 by 1080 pixels. Okay, so you can use a template or you can start from scratch. Okay, let's use this. Oh, okay, so let's start with a very basic one. I'll just use black and white and this one, but don't worry about the other stuff. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so we're gonna use this slide. This is from a free template, and then let's close this one. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn this background into green. You're gonna know why later on, but just trust me, it needs to be green. And then you can leave it there. So but I'm gonna remove it. I'm gonna remove like things that I don't want, because I'm gonna be adding a lot later. So looking at my previous sessions live video, I need to put my name in, so I'm gonna use this to put my name. So let's just say Fabb Lagas. We could change the alignment, and then we can move it here. So my plan is my face would be here, and then the statistics would be here, and then my name is at the down right bottom. I could change this to a YouTube, like, oh my gosh, wait. So let's move things here. I'm gonna feature my YouTube account. Okay, so now we have like a thing, or like a kind of the design we're looking for. Now we're gonna put our icons, like we're gonna put our social medias. For this example, I will just be using my YouTube account. So I went ahead and go to elements, and you can search for YouTube. It's like clip arts, if you're familiar with the clip art in Microsoft, and then just choose whatever you want. I dig this one, the circle one, just to drag it in the middle, and then you just adjust the size. And then here I'm gonna put a bit sophisticated. You should follow me, guys, so that my YouTube will grow, and then I can make more tutorials for production for you. Then I just want it to be bigger. Okay, so I'm not gonna use the rest, so I'm gonna delete the rest. I'm not gonna need it. I can use this here. Just make sure that it can be seen. Let's put it. Okay, there you go. So this is kind of like a very basic design to just have this here, but you know, just use your imagination, your creativity, and you can create whatever layout you want. Okay, so on my actual sessions live overlay, I have a picture here, so I can teach you how to add a picture. You can go to elements and then frames. Okay, let me see all. And I can use this one or this photo view, like what do you call this? Photograph or computer. I think it's more logical if you can use this because you're live streaming. Okay, let's use this one. And then I think it's too big. And then this is cute. I would send this to the back. Okay. Oh, this is so nice. And then I'm just gonna use then we're gonna upload our photo. Wait, we're gonna upload our own photo. So I have this photo of mine here. Should I use a different one? Anyway, any photo you like, you just upload it here and then drag it to that one. That's not nice, but again, you get the gist of what I'm telling you. Okay, so I told you that if you have your Canva Pro, it will be easier, because now if you're happy with this design, we could go ahead and download it. So here is the download button, PNG. So choose PNG, and then if you have Canva Pro, you can delete this green color and just click this transparent background, but we don't have Canva Pro, and because we're alipin sa gigilid. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna download it as is, so it has that green background, right? What we're gonna do, so it's here, we're gonna go to this website. We're gonna go to onlinepngtools.com. okay, enter, and then click here to upload the picture you said. You're gonna click upload, and then it automatically deletes the color, but if it does not, you can change the color here. You can preview this match. That's why I asked you to put it in green, so that it's like we're imitating like the green screen one. They can use it as transparent. So okay, let's save as, download. Okay, so I'm now here in OBS. I'm gonna show you how to add that overlay. Let's go to this plus sign and then image. Let's type in overlay. Okay, and then we're gonna find that file. So mine's in the downloads bin, and then press OK, and now it's there. It's on my left, and now it's there. So you can adjust your singing, or your you can use your own creativity to make your own overlay. I'm really happy with Canva, and I will be using that a lot from now. And yeah, I hope that you learned something from this video, and I hope that you would like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any future videos. Also, you can watch me live on Sessions Live. I will put the link in the description box. And I'm so happy that there are a lot of artists now on Sessions, and yeah, I hope to see you all one day in sessionslive.com. If you have any questions, just comment it in the comment section below, and I'll see you on my next video.